Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about a few unique ways to reduce your monthly expenses that you might not have heard of before. If you're looking to save more money and cut back on your spending, then stick around. Use cashback application. There are many apps out there, such as Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey, that offer cashback on your purchases at participating retailers. Simply scan your receipt or use the app to make your purchase, and the cashback will be credited to your account. Utilize a spending freeze. Our second tip is to utilize a spending freeze. A spending freeze is a period of time where you don't spend any money on non-essential items. You can choose to do a spending freeze for a week or even a month. During this time, you only spend money on essential items such as groceries, rent, and bills. This can help you break bad spending habits and save money quickly. Rent out your unused items. Rent out your unused items to earn some extra cash. If you have items in your home that you're not using, you can rent them out on platforms like Airbnb, Turo, or Spinlister. This can be a great way to earn some extra money without having to work extra hours. Negotiate your bills using chatbots. Many companies now use chatbots to handle customer service inquiries, and you can use this to your advantage when negotiating bills. Use a chatbot to negotiate bills such as cable or internet, and you may be able to get a better deal without having to spend time on the phone. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so consider cooking at home more often. You can save money by buying groceries in bulk, meal planning, and using leftovers for lunches or other meals. And there you have it, 5 unique ways to reduce your monthly expenses. We hope you found these tips helpful.